In this video, we delve into the often perplexing world of TSA experiences, aiming to uncover the reasons why certain travelers encounter additional scrutiny at security checkpoints. Understanding TSA protocols is crucial for enhancing our travel experiences, as it can help demystify the processes that sometimes lead to frustration. Many travelers have faced the annoyance of being pulled aside for extra screening, leaving them curious about the criteria that trigger such actions. By exploring these inconsistencies, we hope to shed light on the factors that influence TSA decisions, from behavioral indicators to random selection processes. This exploration not only addresses common frustrations but also fosters a greater understanding of the security measures in place, ultimately aiming to make air travel smoother and more predictable for everyone. Join us as we navigate through the intricacies of TSA procedures, providing insights that could help you prepare for your next journey and minimize any unexpected delays at the airport. During TSA security checks, there are specific items and behaviors that agents closely monitor to ensure the safety of all travelers. Common prohibited items include sharp objects, flammable materials, and certain sporting goods, which can lead to additional screening if detected. Compliance with TSA rules is essential, as failing to adhere to these guidelines can result in unnecessary delays and complications during your travel experience. One critical regulation is the 311 rule for liquids, which allows passengers to carry liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, all fitting within a single quart-sized bag. Proper packing of these items is vital. Ensuring that your liquids are correctly stored can significantly expedite the screening process. Additionally, behaviors such as rushing through checkpoints or failing to remove items from bags can raise red flags for TSA agents, leading to further scrutiny. By understanding and following these guidelines, travelers can help facilitate a smoother security experience, minimizing stress and ensuring a more efficient journey through the airport. Certain behaviors can inadvertently raise red flags for TSA agents during security checks, leading to increased scrutiny. For instance, nervousness or excessive chatting can be perceived as suspicious, as agents are trained to look for signs of anxiety or unusual behavior that may indicate a potential threat. The TSA employs a behavioral checklist that includes various indicators, but it is important to note that this checklist is subjective. What one agent may find concerning, another might overlook. Additionally, a traveler's appearance and clothing choices can also impact how they are perceived at checkpoints. For example, wearing bulky clothing or items that obscure the body can prompt further inspection, as agents may be wary of concealed items. Similarly, attire that is overly casual or out of place can draw attention. Understanding these nuances can help travelers navigate security more smoothly, as being aware of how behaviors and appearances are interpreted can lead to a more relaxed and compliant experience at TSA checkpoints, ultimately reducing the likelihood of additional scrutiny. Misconceptions about TSA procedures often lead to confusion among travelers, particularly regarding the rationale behind certain security measures. One common requirement is for electronic devices to be powered on during screening. This policy is in place to ensure that the devices are functional and not concealing any dangerous materials. If a device cannot be turned on, it raises concerns about its contents, prompting further inspection. Additionally, carrying large amounts of cash can also trigger scrutiny, as it may be associated with illicit activities. Similarly, items like coffee can raise alarms due to their potential to be used inappropriately. Therefore, agents may need to inspect them more closely. The TSA approach to identifying potential threats is multifaceted, combining technology with behavioral analysis to assess risks effectively. By understanding these procedures and their underlying reasons, travelers can better navigate security checkpoints and alleviate any concerns about being unfairly targeted. Ultimately, these measures are designed to enhance safety for all passengers, ensuring a secure travel environment. The effectiveness of TSA screening methods has been a topic of considerable debate, particularly regarding their behavioral assessment techniques. Investigations into these methods have revealed mixed results, with some studies suggesting that the behavioral indicators used by TSA agents lack a solid scientific foundation. Critics argue that relying on subjective assessments can lead to inconsistencies and potential biases, ultimately undermining the effectiveness of security measures. For instance, certain behaviors deemed suspicious may not accurately correlate with actual threats, raising concerns about the reliability of these assessments. Furthermore, the TSA has faced criticism for not adequately addressing these shortcomings, highlighting the need for improvements in their procedures. Enhancing the scientific rigor behind behavioral assessments and incorporating more evidence-based practices could lead to a more effective screening process. This, in turn, would not only bolster security but also improve the overall traveler experience by reducing unnecessary delays and frustrations at checkpoints. As air travel continues to evolve, it is crucial for the TSA to adapt and refine its methods to ensure both safety and efficiency for all passengers. To minimize the chances of being pulled aside during TSA security checks, travelers can adopt several practical strategies. First and foremost, packing efficiently is key. Keeping necessary items, such as identification, boarding passes, and electronics, easily accessible can streamline the screening process. Utilizing a well-organized carry-on bag allows for quicker inspections and reduces the likelihood of delays. Additionally, dressing appropriately can help avoid raising suspicions. Opting for simple, comfortable clothing without excessive layers or bulky accessories can make the screening process smoother. Avoiding items that could be perceived as suspicious, such as overly baggy clothing or accessories that obscure the body, is also advisable. Furthermore, maintaining a calm demeanor during the security process is crucial. Travelers should remain composed and patient, as nervousness or agitation can attract unwanted attention. By following these tips, travelers can enhance their chances of a hassle-free experience at TSA checkpoints, allowing them to focus on enjoying their journey rather than worrying about potential delays or additional scrutiny. In summary, we've explored the intricacies of TSA experiences and how travelers can effectively navigate them. Key takeaways include understanding the reasons behind TSA procedures, such as the importance of packing efficiently and dressing appropriately to minimize scrutiny. We also discussed the significance of maintaining a calm demeanor during security checks, which can help ease the process. By being aware of the behaviors and items that may raise red flags, travelers can enhance their overall experience at checkpoints. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travelers who could benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your travel needs. Additionally, don't forget to explore our related videos for further tips and strategies that can make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate your next travel adventure with confidence.